Cho. Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen. Sono. And they won't know. BK Igbo. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. We're just going to do a couple of traditional Igbo dances for you, for your entertainment, and I hope you enjoy, and thank you all for coming. Appreciate them, put your hands together for them. If you're not clapping, I will call you to come and dance.
I wish $90 come